Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Of course, today is a makeup video and I'll be showing you how I achieved this simple look. So keep watching if you want to see me do that. Hey, you already know I like to start with a very prepped face, and this is the concealer I used for my eyes. I just applied it and I used a brush, a blending brush, to blend it throughout my entire eye. Although this concealer might look really bright, but as I started to blend it out, it was amazing. Like, you guys can already see. Like, are you kidding me? This concealer is from Kiss Beauty, by the way. It's about time for my neon pigments, and of course, you guessed it, Avora Cosmetics. I picked this pink shade and I applied it to the top part of my eyes. It's not really my crease, just at the top part, very close to the brow arc. And I blended it out with the exact same brush, so you know, it wasn't a hassle. Now picking up my second pigment is this bright blue, rich blue color, and I just applied this below the pink I applied before. I could say this is like my crease line, but just a little bit above my crease line, and I blended it out also to the pink. I also want you guys to know that if I'm about to apply a particular shade to my eyes, I go in tapping motions, but if I'm blending, I go in circular motions or back and forth. I'm done blending. I went on with this shade. It looks bluish and sometimes I think it looks purplish, but it's more of a blue color, and you can see me apply that to my entire eye. Not entire eye, but like the remaining space where you can see any shade, and I'm just slightly tapping that in, and you later see me going with my blending brush and I blended it all out because it looks too blue for my liking. And before I forget, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel and please caress the like button. You can share this video and you can drop a comment down below, because I would always read your comments and respond to them. And for all the makeup videos I would be dropping in the nearest future, I'll put a link down below so that you can get all the products, all the makeup products I use. So you can check the description box. There's going to be a link there to the store I get most of my makeup products from. Now that I'm almost done, I'm going to take a shimmer from this palette. You guys already know this palette, and I'm going to apply that with this tiny brush to the front part of my eyes, just for a little glow and a little drama. You guys already know I love drama, so why not? Why would I skip that? Of course not. This is me just making sure it's perfectly blended. I'm going to take this brush that has the existing blue I used for the entire eye, and I'm just going to slightly dab that to my under eye just to give it some depth. Oh, and be careful guys, you really need your eyes. With my eyeliner, I am just going to line my eyes without adding a wing to it. Going in with my mascara. Guys, don't forget your bottom lashes as well. And this is me just trying to fix up my false lashes. Now to the lip part. The first lipstick, which was absolutely amazing, the brown, is from Classic Makeup USA, and this is called Thunder. I made sure to zoom in a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm doing with the lipsticks to my lips. I basically wanted like an ombre effect, so I used this thunder to like line my lips a little bit, the outer corners of my lips. And I'm taking the second lipstick that I use for the innermost corner of my mouth, and this is from Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Lip Cream, and it's called Love. Ooh, I didn't even know that. And as you can see, I was just slightly blending it into the brown I used previously. Like I always say, blending is essential for a good makeup. I know I said matte, I just like it because it sounds expensive. Matte just sounds really boring to me. I don't know, that's what I like. Call me weird. The look is just about done, and this is what I was looking like. I had to take off my bonnet, by the way, and of course, girl, fire. You can't even deny that I look cute. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.